Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I know things are really crazy right now with everything going on, so I just wanted to kind of share a recipe with you that you can make in a big batch. That way you have it to kind of go around for the week. This is a vegan potato salad that I'm going to make, and instead of the mayo in there, I'm going to be substituting that for an avocado, and instead of the egg in there, it's going to be substituted for peas to still get the protein in there. So let me get everything ready and then I'll show you guys what to do. So I'm only going to do 4 potatoes for this. You can do a much bigger batch if you want to, but I'm just doing a small batch for today. So if you would like to, you can grab 6, 8 potatoes and just double up on everything else that I'm doing as well. Alright, yeah, well that's it for this recipe. It's really simple. I hope you give it a try. It's good. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you do give it a try. And I hope everybody is safe and healthy. We'll see you next time.